The F84 error code on an Electrolux microwave indicates a communication problem between the interface and the control boards. This issue can be caused by a loose wiring harness between the interface board and the control board, corrosion at the wiring harness connectors, or a faulty interface board. To resolve the issue, start by disassembling the microwave to access the interface board and checking the wiring harness between the interface board and the control board. Fix any loose wiring connections between the two boards. Then reassemble the microwave. If the issue persists, access the wiring harness again. Identify any corroded wire ends and replace them. Replacing the interface board may also be necessary. Disassemble the microwave. Check the wiring at the board and replace it if needed. As a last resort, consider replacing the control board if none of the previous steps resolve the issue.